download or view any website for offline. So first thing, just head over to any web browser and you can just basically search in for any of the websites. So let's say I want to search in for this particular website. So it's also one of the best tool to actually view the online website. So we can basically download this application by simply heading over to sdtrack.com and just click on this download section. And once you successfully download it, you just have to provide the file, as it allows you to download a world wide web site from the internet to a local directory, building everything like getting images, HTML and other files from server to your computer. So there's also another alternative way. So let's say if I were to download a singular page, if you don't want to download multiple pages of the particular website, then in that case what you might want to do as well is just make sure you are using Google Chrome, because it's easy on Google Chrome. But don't worry, it's also available on other browser as well. So it's usually located as the option that is save as or share as, or you might as well see it inside of more tools. So first thing first, just head over to your three dot icon if you are using Google Chrome, that is, and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is cast, save and share. So once you hover over that, just head over to the left section and you can see there is an option that is save page as, or you can also hit the Ctrl S keyboard shortcut. So just tap on that, and once you tap on that, you can simply click on this save button over here. So once you click on save, you should automatically have downloaded the particular website just like this, and you can even view the particular website when you are offline. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.